your footstep in the memory of my name. Every shadow that I carry still whispers you the same. I was running from the silence you were holding on to bright. Two broken pieces of the same damn fire inside. And all the words we never said hang heavy like the storm above our head. I see the boy I used to be reflected in the man you try to leave.
But I'm here now.
I'm standing where you stood when the world felt cold.
I'm your blood now.
Fighting through the battles that you carry alone.
I forgive you.
For every quiet heartbreak you never planned.
If you hear me,
No, I'm finally strong enough to understand. This is where I stand. I held anger like a weapon I was scared to put down. Didn't know that all your demons were the ones you never drowned. You were trying just to breathe while I was learning how to fight. Now I see the war you lost, just trying to keep the lights alive. And all the nights you stayed away became the scars that history couldn't take. I see your heart behind the man, the broken hero doing all he can.
but I'm here now.
I'm standing where you stood when the world felt cold.
I'm your blood now.
Fighting through the battles that you carry alone.
I forgive you.
For every quiet heartbreak you never planned.
If you hear me,
No, I'm finally strong enough to understand. This is where I stand. Maybe love was loud in ways we didn't recognize. Maybe strength is learning how to say the things we hide. If time could give us one more night to speak as father son, I'd tell you all the wars you fought are the reason I become